We'll guide you through how to remove Excel table. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the start screen fully loads before continuing. Once it is ready, open a workbook that contains the table you want to remove. Make sure the correct worksheet is active so you are working in the right place. Locate the table within your worksheet and click anywhere inside the table to activate it. Notice that the Table Design tab appears on the ribbon and review the table structure before making any changes. Ensure the data inside the table is correct and ready to be modified. Move to the top ribbon menu and click the Table Design tab. Look for the Tools group in the toolbar and click the Convert to Range option. A confirmation dialog box will appear on the screen, then click Yes to confirm converting the table to a normal range. Observe that the table formatting remains, but the table functionality is removed. Click outside the data area to deselect the range and check that the Table Design tab is no longer visible. Review the data again to ensure it is no longer structured as a table. If needed, remove formatting by selecting the data range and preparing it for a cleaner appearance. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click Clear in the Editing group. Then select Clear Formats to remove any table styling that is still applied to the data. Adjust column widths if necessary to make sure all information is clearly visible and easy to read. Scroll through the worksheet carefully to review all data and confirm that everything looks consistent. Take a moment to verify that filters, sorting buttons, and structured references are no longer active within the dataset. If you notice any remaining formatting or inconsistencies, make small adjustments to improve clarity and organization. Ensure the data is easy to read and properly aligned so it can be used effectively for further analysis or reporting. Finally, click the File menu on the top left and select Save to store your changes. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl S on your keyboard to save quickly.